rocket lifts off, it will take approximately 38 seconds to reach Mach 1, or the speed of sound. 150 seconds later, the Atlas V reaches Mach 10. T-minus 2 minutes. 159.
Vehicle internal.
158.
Launch sequence for start.
150. Securing Centaur LH2.
Securing Centaur LO2.
T-minus 140.
FTS launch enable.
137.
ULA.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds and counting. The launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and Eastern Range are go for launch. T-minus 120.
Confirm. FTS count started.
Cruise yes for launch.
Roger.
T-minus 110. That valve locked. This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 1 minute and counting. Great here. T-minus 54. T-minus 40 seconds. Stable at step 3. T-minus 30 seconds.
FTS ready for launch.
Roger. T-minus 25 seconds. Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur. Go AEHF. This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition. And we have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying AEHF-3 for the United States Air Force. Advanced EHF satellites provide a 10-fold increase in capability to our troops in the field. You'll now be hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data. Let's listen in for mission progress. Let's reach chamber first. Current altitude is 20 miles, downrange distance 19.5 miles, current velocity is 3,441 miles per hour. And the boosters throttle down again as scheduled. Engine response looks good. Pump speeds are good. Check conversion system and fan. And we have instrument beginning. Has
satellite will separate from the rocket itself as you get into orbit. From there, it'll take 120 days. It's going to take 120 days.
Going to maintain 4
Synchronous growth. From there, testing will be done in solar arrays deployed. This satellite's not going to be used not by just the U.S. and our forces around the world, but also by military and troops from Canada, United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. So
Space 2 miles underway.
Forces and our allies around the world. So again, another beautiful site here on the
And we have retros and stage separation. And launch fuel pre-start.
rocket launch indication stepped out to watch
And 2 first runs completed. We have ignition and full thrust on the aero path.
Perfection! So here is the Atlas V rocket on pad 41.
Yeah, baby.
Here at the Cape Canaveral Airport.